Today we will discuss periodic table and how we can easily find atomic number and valence electronic configuration of different element from that periodic table. Now you do not have to remember that whole periodic table. Few element is sufficient. Just say now in group 1 hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Now only stable element, francium, that radioactive. So only we will study stable element. That one, period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period 6. Now that is group 1. Group 1. Now in group 2, let's see that beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Now group 3 to group 12 transition element. Now in transition element only remember that 3D series. So see, after calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, then copper, zinc. And that iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. These are called triad elements. Iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. Copper, Ag, Au. Zinc, cadmium, mercury. That one is group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to group 12. Next see that group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now in 13, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. 14, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Fluorine, bromine, iodine. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, Rn. How we can easily find that atomic number of any element? Now period 1 to period 2 you have to add plus 2. Hydrogen atomic number now 1. So what will be the lithium atomic number? Now 1 plus 2 3. So period 1 to period 2 plus 2. Now period 2 to period 3 plus 8. See, lithium 3 plus 8 11. Sodium atomic number is 11. Now that third to fourth period, that also plus 8. So 11 plus 8 19. Now 4th to 5th plus 18. So 19 plus 18 37. 5th period to 6th period plus 18. So cesium again plus 18 55. Cesium 55. So in that way, we can easily find that atomic number of any element. Next, how we can find that valence electronic configuration from that position of element. Phosphorus. What will be the valence electronic configuration of phosphorus? Now phosphorus, it is group 15, that means it contains 5 electron in valence shell. And which period? Third period. So that principal quantum number of that valence shell electron is 3 because third period. So what will be the valence electronic configuration for phosphorus? 3s2 3p3 because group 15 means 5 valence electron, 3 plus 2 5, and it is in period 3. So the principal quantum number of that valence electron is 3. Bromine. So bromine group 17, that means 7 valence electron, and period 4. So what will be the electronic configuration? 4s2 4p5. Next step, indium. Period 5 group 13. So 5s2 5p1. Rubidium. Rubidium group 1 period 5. So 5s1. So if you know the position of that element, you can easily write electronic configuration, valence electronic configuration, and you can easily find atomic number.